Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about Skillrack Daily challenge, that is, Flowchart Logic. Hashtag include stdio.h. This line includes the standard input-output header file, which is necessary for using functions like printf and scanf. Hashtag include stdlib.h. This line includes the standard library header file, which is necessary for using functions involving memory allocation and deallocation, like malloc and free. Int main, this is the main function where the execution of the program begins. It returns an integer value to the operating system upon completion. Char s, 101, this declares a character array s with a size of 101. This array is used to store the input string. Scanf, %s, this line takes an input string from the user using the scanf function. The %s format specifier is used to read a string until a whitespace character is encountered or the maximum size specified, 100 characters in this case. Int index equals 0, count equals 0, two integer variables, index and count, are declared and initialized. Index is used to iterate through the characters of the string, and count is used to keep track of the consecutive occurrences of the same character. While s_index equals \0, this starts a while loop that continues until the end of the string is reached. The loop condition checks for the presence of the null character, \0, which marks the end of a string in C. Count ++ increments the count variable for each character encountered in the string. If s_index equals s_index +1, checks if the current character is different from the next character in the string. Inside the if block, printf, %c%d, s_index, count, prints the current character, s_index, and the count of consecutive occurrences, count, of that character. Count equals 0, resets the count to 0, as a new character is encountered. Index plus equals 1, increments the index to move to the next character in the string. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.